Now, a well-designed website serves as a brand's online face, attracting visitors, generating leads, and driving sales. However, creating a professional website can be complex and time-consuming. Fortunately, powerful tools like WordPress and Divi have revolutionized web design, making it accessible to designers and seasoned developers. A structured approach can speed up the design process and achieve incredible results. So in this video, we are going to explore the key stages of web design from initial creative brief to the final launch, and how you can utilize WordPress and Divi to complete the task in fraction of time. So if all that sounds interesting, then let's dive in. My name is Ankit and you are watching Elegant Themes YouTube channel, the makers of the Divi Visual Builder. Now, in case you want to deep dive in this topic and learn more about it, we have created a complete blog post that we are going to link in the video description below. So once you're done with this video, I would highly recommend that you go ahead and check out our blog post. I'm sure you will find it helpful. First up, we have the creative brief. This is where the project kicks off. It's a document that lays out the foundation of your website. In this stage, you define the project goals like increasing brand awareness, boosting sales, your target audience, the brand voice, and the visual style you want to achieve. A clear creative brief keeps everyone on same page. Now, once the creative brief is set, it's time to analyze it. This stage is about breaking down goals, target audience, and design style. If the client have an existing website, audit its performance and user experience to identify areas of improvement. Next is time for planning. This includes setting measurable goals for the website like improving SEO or increasing conversions. You also create a sitemap organizing the website structure so visitors can navigate easily. And don't forget about SEO. Ensuring all pages are optimized right from the start is crucial. And now the fun part begins. Designing the website is where the magic happens. This stage brings the brand's identity to life with fonts, colors, and layouts. It's also when you create wireframe and mockups to give your client a preview before the development process begins. And using tools like Divi, you can create stunning designs without needing to dive into complex code. Now, content is the heart of the website. In this stage, you create engaging copy that speaks to your audience, optimize its SEO, and gather high-quality images and videos. Whether you are writing blog posts, product descriptions, or headings, the goal is to keep your content clear, concise, and aligned with brand voice. And that's the point where Divi AI can help you create images, content, and saving you time and lot of efforts. Now, once the design and content is ready, it's time to bring everything together in development phase. This is where you will set up WordPress, install Divi theme, and begin building your website. Using Divi, you can easily customize layouts and functionality without needing any coding skills. Plus, Divi Quick Sites and Divi AI can speed up this process, allowing you to launch your website super fast. Now, before going live, thorough testing is must. You want to check for broken links, functionality, mobile responsiveness, and SEO. Make sure the site works smoothly on all browsers and devices. Once the testing is complete and everything is polished, it's time to launch. Ensure your site is optimized for speed and set up tools like Google Analytics to track the performance. Now, through all these stages, WordPress and Divi plays a vital role. WordPress serves as the foundation of your website, providing all the flexibility you need, and Divi, the powerhouse tool that makes design and customization super easy. Whether you are starting with a pre-made layout or using Divi AI, or building everything from scratch, Divi makes web design efficient and accessible. Now, web design is a detailed process, but breaking it down into clear stages ensures success. From setting up creative briefs to launching the website, following these steps can help you create stunning, functional sites that can wow your clients. And with WordPress and Divi, you can bring your designs to life faster and more easily than ever before. So ready to create your next website? Let's get started with Divi. And if you like this video, then make sure you give it a like and share it with your friends and community. And for more WordPress and Divi updates, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. That's it for this one, and I'll catch you in the next video.